everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Catherine and I make videos all about sustainability, minimalism and wellness. If that sounds like it's up your street, then make sure you press the subscribe button and don't forget to tick the bell to be notified every single time I post. Now, 2020's been a bit of a shit show, hasn't it? This week, I won't lie to you, I've been really feeling it. I do suffer with anxiety and I've just felt like no motivation to do anything. In life, we have to experience the lows in order to be able to have the highs. Now, the best thing about this is that over time, I've learnt different ways to help cope with anxiety and sadness, and I have different tactics that I use to help boost my spirits. So what I decided to do this week was do a big review of my 2020 vision board. So for those of you that saw me review my vision board back in, I think it was February, you will know that I believe in manifestation and that I love to use vision boards to help bring forward my visions and dreams and make them a reality. Now, usually I like to use Pinterest to create my vision boards, but seeing as I really need the extra motivation, I decided that I would create a physical vision board. Obviously, making this vision board isn't going to solve all of the problems in the world, and for those of you that are having a really hard time, unfortunately it's not going to be an instant fix for these things, but hopefully if you are feeling really down in the dumps, it can help give you some motivation. As you will see in mine, that I've included some really basic needs and desires that I want for the rest of the year, so hopefully this will help you in some way. If you think that you might like to make a vision board for yourself, then make sure you stay tuned until the end, where I'm going to show you how I decorate my room with my vision board and what the finished thing looks like. Okay, let's get on with it. First of all, I sit and take some time to reflect on the year so far, what I am grateful for and the things that I want to bring more of into my life. Once I have a list I am happy with, I will go onto Pinterest and find the images that fit my vision and create a new pin board. Do you like the name I gave this one? The next step is completely optional, but if you're very particular like me, I like to use the snipping tool on Windows and save the images onto my desktop. Once I've done them all, I upload them onto my Google Drive so I can access them easily from my phone. From there, I will open Visco or VSCO. Is that how the kids say it? I don't know. Anyway, I will edit one of the photos on there to my desired style, and then I will copy the edit onto all of the other photos because I'm lazy as. Then I will re-upload them onto my Google Drive so I can re-access them on my desktop. Like I said, if you don't want to edit the photos, then you can just completely skip that stage. But next I will drag the photos into a Google Doc and resize them to how big I want the images to be printed. When you are happy with how it looks, it is time to print them out. If you want to go all out, you can use photo paper, but instead I just used what I had and I put it on some normal A4 paper. Next, you can choose to display the images as you wish, either in a photo frame or on a pin board, but I decided to just have them as they are on my drawers, and I will show you at the end of the video, so stay tuned. First of all, you're going to need to cut the images out. I cheated and I used my mum's guillotine, but scissors will do just fine. Once I finished doing that, I found some old greetings cards and cut them to the size of the images. The reason I did this was because paper can curl over time, so this will make sure that they stay in place until the end of the year. Again, this is completely optional. When you are feeling anxious, activities like this, painting or colouring or anything like that, is a very good way to practice mindfulness and concentrate on something simple to distract your mind. Now you are good and ready to go and place your vision board somewhere where you'll see it all the time to keep on manifesting. So now I'm done printing everything out, sticking everything onto some card. Everything is laid out, so let me show you my dream board to get through the rest of 2020. On top of my chest of drawers is my little magical manifestation section of my room. So whenever I'm feeling a little bit blue or if I need some encouragement or motivation, then I'll always come over here to look at my The Universe Has Your Back cards. They are made by Gabby Bernstein, so if you're into spirituality then you'll already know who she is. So last night I was feeling a little bit anxious, so I pulled out one of my cards and I picked out this one, and it says, "My happiness is a direct reflection of my level of faith in the universe. Now that kind of shook me a little bit, and it was like a little kick up the butt, like sort your life out. So I thought it was fitting to put my vision board for the rest of 2020 next to my cards, so if I'm ever feeling doubt or when I'm getting ready in the morning, I can just glance over and look at my set intentions for the rest of the year. So let me show you a couple of them. So obviously with everything that's going on, my main concern is for myself and my family and friends to be safe. So I put this picture of my family and my boyfriend and me just to remind me and to bring in that positive health and manifest that into existence to hopefully keep us all safe from the virus. And as I just said, yesterday I was feeling super anxious about my career and different things like that, so I did some reading and I came across this, and it says purpose fuels passion. And it's so true. When you have something to focus on, you don't need to like rack your brain for answers because you already have them. When you're following a purpose, when you're looking to serve someone else other than yourself, the ideas just come to you. So that's going to be my main mantra for the rest of the year. Here I put a camera because I really want to upgrade my camera. And over here I have got my YouTube channel icon and I've put 1,000 subs. To be honest, I'm not sure it's doable to get there by December, but that is what I'm trying to manifest. So fingers crossed we can get to 1,000 subs. And then here, this one just spoke to me so much. So this one says, creating worlds in which my soul feels at home. I found this one, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, but it says all we have is now, and that is a reminder for me to stay present. And then here there's a little campfire with some friends, and that is just a reminder to me to make sure that I'm maintaining my friendships throughout this, even if they aren't where I am, to make sure that I reach out to them and make an effort with them. Over here I've got this block of money and a woman relaxing, and I included that just to hopefully bring that financial abundance and security into the future. I think it's affected most people, so yeah, I'm sure you understand why I put that one there. So yeah, that is my dream board for the rest of 2020. It's very basic, but I felt like with everything that's happened, I just needed to take it right back and just remind myself of those fundamental things that I need to be happy and to survive and thrive. And that concludes my vision board video. If you are feeling anxious, I hope that this inspires you to take a little bit of a step back, to try to not be too hard on yourself on the things that you can't control, and to start to just have a look and have some faith in the universe that you can help to manifest the things that you can control. I found that this method really helps me, and it's helped perk me up during the week, and I'm really glad that I did it. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, then please give it a thumbs up because it helps other people find my videos. I hope that you have a lovely week and that you take care of yourself. I will see you in the next video on Sunday. Bye.